Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: location services, internet access, and that your phone uses the same Google account you'll use to find it. Open the Find My Device app or visit the service and sign in. This links the phone to your account so Google can report its position. Once signed in, make sure the device's Find My Device toggle and location permission are active. This first step is crucial because without account linkage and permissions, the tracking features cannot operate. After you've signed in, select the device from the list to get a real-time location on the map. This is best when the device has power and GPS enabled. If it's nearby, hit ring to play a loud sound even if it's on silent. When theft or data risk is likely, choose Secure Device to lock and show a message, or Erase Device to factory reset. Use Erase only as a last resort because it removes tracking. Make sure Google Play services and location accuracy settings are active for reliable positioning. Once you have a location, follow the map directions or share the PIN with someone who can safely retrieve the phone. Do not confront a suspect. After recovery, unlock, verify settings, and consider changing your Google password to remove unauthorized access. If the device isn't showing, check that it's online and that location and Find My Device are still enabled. Once done, force a location refresh. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing updates, toggle location and play services. Wait 1 minute, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.